In this lesson, we'll review and improving the sentence problem. It's part of the writing multiple choice. We're on page 957, question 24 out of 29. This is a moderate problem. In the past, the small nation had been committed to self-managed socialism, a system under which the workers, rather than the state, owns most enterprises. We have to find the error here. We don't have to correct it, but I always recommend thinking about what the correct version should be in your choice to reinforce the error. So here in the first section in A, had been committed, the tense seems fine, so it's in the past. Had been is the past participle. Nothing wrong with this. We really couldn't change this to this form of socialism. A system under which, now this, anytime you see a preposition under which, look out for the idiomatic error, but there's really nothing wrong with this. This one is correct as well. The workers rather than, so instead of the state. Again, this is not a glaring error. These are always going to be egregious mistakes. And then we have owns. So anytime you see a verb underlined, you want to make sure it agrees with the subject-verb agreement. But College Board specifically won't put the subject right next to the verb, just to confuse the test taker a little bit. So let's think about the subject here. Who owns most enterprises? And let's go back. Here we have the subject is workers, and then we have comma, rather than the state, comma. Those two commas we've talked about, that's called an appositive. It's really sort of a clause right in the middle. It's almost like putting parentheses in the middle of a sentence. So anytime you see an appositive in the middle of a sentence like that, all you have to do is simply cross it out. It's just sort of extra information, and that will help link the subject and the verb. The workers, plural, owns with an S, that suggests a singular subject. We need to drop the S. This is definitely wrong. Look out for that appositive, and then much easier to link the two. So the answer here is D, and it simply should be owned to agree with workers. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.